to everyone. Today we are going to do exercise 11.4. In the previous video, we had already completed our question number 1 to 5 solutions. Hope you people understood those questions. So dear students, if you are having any doubt regarding those things, please ask me through my WhatsApp number. And my WhatsApp number you will get from your class teacher, okay, from Amna madam. Myself, Bhuneshwari Yadav. Clear? So, in the previous video, we had already completed our question 1 to 5. In this video, we are going to do questions 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the questions which is occurs on the screen. So, first question it is said that we are having a rectangular park whose length is 700 meter. That means length is given as 700 meter. Clear? And breadth is given as 30 meter. Can you see the screen? In this screen, the length of the rectangular park is given as 700 meter and breadth of the rectangular park is given 300 meter parallel to its sides. Okay. Find the area of the road. Also find the area of the park excluding the road. And the road width is given as 10 meter. Clear? Give the answers in hectare. As we did the previous questions, in the same way we have to do the questions this also. It will be more clear when I will teach you the solution. I will teach you the solutions. Okay. Now in the next question, through a rectangular field of length 90 meter. Here we are having a rectangular field whose length is 90 meter given, breadth is 60 meter given, and two roads are constructed which are parallel to the side, each other at a right angle through the center of the field. Its width is, that width of the road is 3 meter. Then find the area covered by the road and the cost of constructing the road at the rate of 110 per meter square. So do you understood, student, what do you mean by the cross section? Suppose in 7th and 8th question we are having a field like this, a rectangular park or a rectangular field we are having. A crossroad, that means this kind of road is being constructed. These are the roads which is seen on the figure. These are the road. So here we have to find the area of the road as well as area of the garden. And if it is asked excluding the road, that means we have to do the subtraction over there. If it is said including the road, that means we have to do addition over there. Okay. Now in the 8th question, what is said in the 8th question? Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of 4 centimeter. Around a circular pipe, this means this one is the circular pipe and its radius is given as 4 centimeter. Clear? That means radius of the circle is being given as 4 centimeter. Clear? And she cut off the length of the cord. Then after what? After having that cord, she is going to cut the length of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box. That means if suppose she is having a circle, a cord of 4 centimeter its radius, some of the cord of this circle is being cut by her, and with this cord she is going to make a square. Okay, square box of 4 centimeter side. That means 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. A square box is made by that cord only. Okay. Now did she have any left out? That means after cutting the length of the cord from the circle whose radius is 4 and making it into the form of a square box whose side is 4 centimeter, whether some cord is left. Okay, whether some cord is left or not, that we have to calculate over here in question number 10. Clear everyone? Then in question number 9, the adjoining figure presented a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle point. Okay, we are having a rectangular lawn is given in the figure over here. This is the rectangular lawn. Okay, this part is the rectangular lawn and a circular flower bed is present at the center whose radius is 2 meter. The length is given as 10 meter and the breadth is given as 5 meter. Then according to the question, that means how many part we are having? We are having 4 part in question number 9. all those 4 parts we have to find over here. Clear? In the first part we have to find the area of the land, that means area of the rectangle is L into B, that is 10 into 5. In the second part, area of the flower bed, area, that means area of the circle, that is pi r square, isn't it? With that help of that formula we are going to find in the second part. In the third part, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, that means here we have to minus the area of the lawn with the area of the circle. And in the fourth part we have to find the circumference of the flower bed, that is circumference of the circle we have to find over here. So dear students, in this video only we are going to see the 4 questions, that is questions 6, 7, 8 and 9. The rest other 2 questions, that means 11th and 12th questions, these 2 questions we will see in the next video. Clear everyone? So let's see one by one the solutions of the questions which I had explained you right now. Clear? So here are the questions which we are having. So here is question number 6 first. As I told you, a rectangular park we are having, okay, and length of the rectangular park is 700 meter and breadth of the rectangular park is 300 meter. So with this length and breadth we can find the area of the rectangle, that is L into B, area of the park, where park is in the form of a rectangle. So the formula of rectangle will be used to find the area of the park. Okay, so area of the park is equals to area of the rectangle, whose formula is length into breadth. Length stand for L and breadth stand for B. Okay, so 700 into 300, we will get the required answer as 21,0000. This much we are getting, that means 2,10,000 meter square we are getting the answer. Okay, now after that it is said in the question that a crossroad you can see everywhere in the day-to-day life, isn't it? We are having crossroad everywhere, near the petrol tank we are having, near the schools, hospital we are having. So everywhere a crossroad is being made. So here in this question the crossroad is of 10 meter wide. 10 meter wide, that means the crossroad breadth is 10 meter everywhere. Look in the figure. So the breadth of the road is 10 meter everywhere. Clear? So since the breadth is 10 meter, since the width of the road is 10 meter everywhere, that means the length of the road will be subtracted. We are having this figure. You will more understood by using this figure. What is the length we are having from here to here? Length of the park we are having 700 meter, isn't it? Now breadth of the park we are having as 300, isn't it? Now one of the crossroad is made like this, isn't it? So what is the width of the crossroad? That is 10 meter. So this 10 meter is from here to here, isn't it? So this 10 meter will be going to subtract with the length in order to get the new length of the road. Okay, so that is 960 meter. In the same way, one crossroad is made over here and its width is 10 meter. So breadth of the road we will get as, subtracting with 300 minus 10, it will be 290 meter. Clear everyone how it is happen? So length of the road is 700 meter will be subtracted with 10 meter. Okay, then 700 minus 10 will be 690, isn't it? Then after breadth of the road is 300 minus 10, so it will be how much? 290. So have you understood from where this 690 meter and 290 meter comes? Because due to the road width we are having 10 meter and it is a cross side road. So we are going to subtract the 10 meter width of the road from the length and breadth of the park. Okay. Now area of the road we are going to multiply. So area of the road is equals to area of the rectangle. So formula will be L into B. So 690 meter will be going to multiply with 290. Okay. So multiplying this answer we will get the required answer as 20,100. 2,100,000. Not 20,000. It is 2,100,000 we are going to get the required answer. Okay. Now since in the question it is said that we have to convert it in the form of a hectare. When we are reading the question, it is very clearly given that the required answer is going to be converted in the form of hectare. So 1 hectare is equals to 100 meter we are having, isn't it? So 1 hectare, since the answer is in the form of meter square, so 1 hectare is equals to 100 meter into 100 meter. So the 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so in order to convert meter square into hectare, we are going to divide it by 10,000. Then only meter square is going to be converted into hectare, that is 20.01 hectare. Clear up to here? Okay, next part of the question, it is asked that area of the park excluding road. Excluding means that road should be left out. उस रोड को छोड़ करके कितना एरिया उस पार्क में बचेगा. एक्सक्लूडिंग दैट मीन्स लेफ्ट आउट. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ द पार्क एक्सक्लूडिंग द रोड विल बी इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ द park minus area of the road. This is the area of the park and area of the road which we had find it above in the questions. Both will be subtracted. We will get the answer as 9900 meter square. Again 9900 meter square will be going to be converted in the form of hectare. So that answer will be 0.99 hectare. Thus the area of the park excluding road is, cross road is 0.99 hectares. Clear everyone? And the area of the road is 20.01 hectare. So have you understood the question, everyone? Next question we are having, question number 7. So in question number 7, just look what is given in the solutions. So as I told you that length of the field is 90 meter. Suppose we are having a rectangular field, isn't it? This is the rectangular field we are having, and the length of the field is 90 meter, breadth of the field is 60 meter. So can we find the area of the field? So here area of the field is equals to area of the rectangles, that is L into B. So 90 into 60 will be equals to 5400 meter square, that is 5400 meter square. Clear up to here? Now in the next part of the question, it is very clearly given that a road, cross road is made, isn't it? In the first part of the question it is said that when a rectangular field is there, that field is having a cross road, as in the question number 6 is there. So since the road length is 90 meter and breadth is 60 meter, a cross road road is being made whose breadth is 3 meter everywhere. Breadth is 3 meter everywhere. So this breadth of the road, that means width of the road, is going to be subtracted with the length of the park, as well as it will be subtracted with the breadth of the park, that means field only. Okay, so length of the field excluding road we are getting as 83. 90 minus 3 will be 83. Breadth of the field excluding road will be 60 minus 3, that will be 57. So we are getting the length and breadth of the field excluding the रोड को हटा करके उस फील्ड का लेंथ और ब्रेथ, नया लेंथ और नया ब्रेथ मिल गया. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू फाइंड द फील्ड एक्सक्लूडिंग द रोड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस न्यू लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ एक्सक्लूडिंग द रोड. We are going to find the area. Okay, so what is area? Area of the field excluding the road is equals to area of the rectangle, that is L into B. So L into B, that is 87 meter into 57 will be how much? 4,959. What is the answer we will get as? 4,959. Okay, what the answer we are having? 4,959 meter square is the area of the field excluding road. Clear everyone? Now what is actually asked in the question? Area covered by the road. How much area is covered by the road? That area we have to find. For that what we have to do? We have to subtract the area of park or field with the area of the field excluding road. So both when it will be get subtracted, we will get the required answer as how much we will get, that is 441 meter square is the answer. So therefore area covered by the road is how much? 441 meter square is the area covered. Clear everyone? Now in the second part of the question it is asked that cost of constructing the road at the rate of 1 meter square is given as 110. That means when we are going to construct a road, how much rupees is required, that is 110. It means 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया के रोड को बनाने के लिए 110 रुपीज़ हमको लग रहा है. तो टोटल उस रोड का एरिया कितना है? 441 है. सो दैट 441 विल बी multiplied with 110 in order to get the total cost. So clear everyone why we are multiplying this? So cost of constructing the road at the rate of 441 meter is equals to rupees 110 into 441 will be multiplying to get the required answer as rupees 448,510. So this is the total cost for constructing the road at the rate of 1 meter square is equals to rupees 110. Okay. Thus, the area covered by the road is, how much area is covered by the road? That is 441 meter square. And the cost of constructing the road at the rate of 441 meter square is rupees 48,510. Clear everyone? Hope you people understood what I am teaching you. Okay. So, in the next question we are having what is said in the question. In this 8th question it is said that one rectangular lawn we are having. Everybody is having a lawn in their home, isn't it? Imagine that lawn, and that lawn is in the form of a rectangle. And at the center of the lawn we are having a circle, flower bed. That means at the center some of the flowers is being planted in the form of a circle, and the radius of that flower bed, that means radius of that circle is 4, it is given. Clear? And after that it is said, then after radius of a circular pipe, I think I was explaining the 9th question. It was not like that. It is the whatever I had explained here, it is belongs to the 9th question. In this question it is said that one circular cord we are having whose radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, this cord is to be cut in the length. Okay, it should be cut in the length, and that will be converted or folded it into the form of a square whose side is 4 centimeter from everywhere. Now how much cord is left? Okay, if suppose total 100 meter square cord is there in the form of a circle and 90 meter square cord is being used, then how much cord is left? So 100 minus 10 will be, 100 minus 90 will be 10 meter, isn't it? So this figure I had taken as an example. So here we are going to see according to the example. So radius of the circular pipe is given how much? It is 4 centimeter. Circumference we are going to find. So circumference of a circle formula is what? 2 pi r. What is 2 pi r? Isn't it? Now as we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7, or when we are going to divide this 22 by 7, we are getting the answer as 3.14. So either take 22 upon 7 or 3.14, both is correct. Clear? So here in this question we have to first find the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. R value we are already having, isn't it? So 2 into pi value will be 22 by 7 into r value we are having as 4. So pi value we should remember. Okay. Now while multiplying 2 into 22, isn't it? It will be how much? 44. Then this 44 will be multiplied with 4, we will get the answer. So that answer will be divided by 4 in order to get 25.12 centimeter. Clear up to here? Now according to the question, Pragya wrapped it a square box of side 4 centimeter. As I explained you that circle whose radius is 4 centimeter is going to be done in a straight form, and that straight form is going to be converted in a square box whose side is 4 centimeter, isn't it? Now, since the circumference of the circle we had found it over here, now we are going to find the perimeter of the square. Now, perimeter of the square formula, since why we are finding perimeter of the square, because we had already found the circumference of a circle. So, circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square. Square, that box is wrapped in a form of a square. That's why we are finding here perimeter of a square. It is said in the question, it is in the form of a square. That's why. So, what is the formula for perimeter of a square? That is 4 into side. So, 4 into side value is how much? 4. So, 4 into 4 is 16 centimeter. Clear? Now, comparing both the circumference values. Comparing both the circumference value, we are having that what is the circumference of a circle value is 25.12 centimeter, isn't it? And what is the perimeter of the rectangle value is 16 centimeter. Looking this, we can very easily say that the circumference of a circle is greater than the circumference of a square, isn't it? Looking this, we can easily say that the circumference of the circle is greater than the perimeter of a square. Therefore, if it is greater, that means we have to subtract, because we have to find out how much chord is left. Why we are subtracting here? Why we are subtracting here? Because we have to find out how much length of the chord is left with Pragya. That's why we are subtracting over it. Okay. Now, 12. What we have to subtract over here? 20. Circumference of a circle is given 25.12 centimeter. That will be subtracted with 16, which is the perimeter of the square. So, subtracting that, we will get the required answer as how much? That is 15. So, 9.22. 9 point, here it is 1, not 2. Okay, 9.12 centimeter is the length of the chord which is left after wrapping it into the form of a square box. So, thus the length of the chord left is 9.12 centimeter. Clear up to here? Then, next, the last part of the question we are having, as I explained you here, the 4 part of the question is there. One rectangular lawn is here. This is the rectangular lawn. Okay. Length of the lawn is given 10 meter. Breadth of the lawn is given how much? 5 meter. So, can we find the area of the lawn? Of course, we can find it by multiplying length into breadth. That will be how much? 50 meter square. So, here we had find it in the first part of the 9th question that area of the lawn or land will be equals to L into B. That is 10 meter into 5 meter will be 50 meter square. Then in the second part of the question, it is asked about the area of the flower bed. Okay, since the lawn is there and that inside that lawn a circle flower bed is there, and that radius of that circular flower bed is given as 2 centimeter, isn't it? Now, with the help of that 2 centimeter as a radius, we are going to find what? Area. So, area of the circle is how? What is the formula for area of the circle? Area of the circle formula is pi r square. This is the formula. Dear students, area of the circle will be equals to area of the flower bed. So, that will be pi r square. And what is the value of pi we have to take? We have to memorize the value of pi. Remember that. Okay, either we can take it as 22/7 or we can take it 3.14. Okay, any one you have to take out. So, 22/7 into r is 2. So, 2 square is there. Since the formula r square, pi r square is there, that means radius will be multiplied twice, isn't it? So, 22 into 2 into 2 will be 4/7, isn't it? So, how much it will be? 88/7. Dividing 88/7, we will get the required answer as 12.56 meter square. Clear everyone? Have you understood up to here? Now, the third part of the question, what is said in the third part of the question? Area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Okay. Now, we have to find the area of the lawn excluding, that means if the area of the lawn is 50 meter, okay, then a circle is given, isn't it, and circle area is how much, 12.56. so this should be subtracted. Area of the lawn will be subtracted with area of the flower bed. Why we are subtracting? Because in the question it is very clearly asked that we have to find the area of the lawn excluding the flower bed, that's why it is subtracted. Since here it is said excluding, that's why we are subtracting over it. Okay, so area of the lawn or land will be subtracted with area of the flower bed. So 50 meter square will be subtracted with 12.56. We will get the required answer as how much? 37.44. Everybody know how to subtract the decimal? Of course you people know very well, just I was recalling your knowledge. Okay, so look how to subtract. Will be given carry, 10 minus 6 will be how much? 4. 9 minus 5 will be again 4. Decimal will be in the same place. So 9 minus 2 will be 7. 4 minus 1 will be 3. So what is the required answer we are having here? That is 37.44 meter square. Clear? Now the last part of question number 9, it is said that find the circumference of the flower bed. Isn't it? So what is the formula for circumference of a flower bed? That is 2 pi r, isn't it? As I told you, the value of pi you can take either 22/7 or you can take 3.14. Any one you have to take out. So 2 into 22/7 into r value is 2, isn't it? So we are getting the required, while solving we are getting the required answer as 12.56 meter. Clear up to here everyone? So dear students, whatever the doubts you people are having, please ask me through my WhatsApp number. Clear? You can get the WhatsApp number with your class teacher from your class teacher. Okay, so thank you everyone.